What's up, Team Kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a like hers before see video. Yes, a throwback series. Okay, today I'm gonna try a mega bun. I saw this look on a YouTuber and I was inspired. All right, join me in the journey to this look. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. Let go. Alright, y'all, so welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Come on, off key and pitchy, yes. Had a little coffee, got a little coffee in my system, you feel me? So I am back on your screen because I want to try to do what I am calling the mega bun. I saw this on this girl named, I think her name is It's My Ray Ray, and I was just like, yo, that is hella cute. So I'm going to have y'all come with me on the journey. I've done buns before, but this one is like, to me, when I look at it, I'm like, that is mega. So I want to see if I can try it. Now, I will not be manipulating my contour to that type of level. That will be a bit much for me. I am going to elicit the help of a ponytail. A ponytail. This is actually a synthetic ponytail, which I normally don't work with, but I was watching, I think her name is Chic Natural or Natural Chic, Chic and Natural, and she got this from Amazon. I was just like, yo, that looks pretty cool. So the way it is, you have this comb here, put it inside your hair, and then you take this and you wrap it around. It'll be like, you know, it'll be something like that. What makes me a little nervous about this is Velcro. I would hate for that to catch in my hair. I will hate. So I've been rocking a low bun. I washed my hair on Wednesday, actually, which is not a normal wash day. I didn't do a deep wash. I did a, I used, what did I use? I actually used one of these Can-2 washes, and I'm realizing that I don't like it. My hair is not responding well to it, but it's okay. Today's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday. I'll wash her properly tomorrow. The cleanser that I'm talking about, y'all, is the Can-2 ACV. I have used it before. I think I've even done a video on it before. My hair liked it beforehand, but it has been a year since I've used it, and I tried it the day before I did this video, and the same day as this video, my hair is just not feeling like her regular self. She's already gone through recovery mode from the ups and downs of last year. Now to use this Can-2 ACV, and it makes it feel the way it's feeling. I'm like, dang, girl, you can't catch a break? You can't catch a break. It's okay. I'm going to get her back to what she knows, okay? Good life, being awesome every day. That's what she's used to. But, oh, girl, talk about laziness. I fell off. But it's okay. Anyway, yeah, y'all. So I don't do slick up styles that often. So I did forget that when you do mix certain products, you get this kind of result. These white little flakes, little snowflakes, powder. It's just not how green with my kinks. But the thing is, I believe it's going to melt away. So even though it is annoying me, I'm going to just leave it like it is, okay? And move on. It's going to melt away. You will see later on in the video. But that's one thing you have to be mindful of when you initially see these flakes. I mean, it's up to you if you want to continue or not. But it did cross my mind to wash it all out. But I was already tired that I just said, let's just see what happens because I ain't got time, okay? So after getting this bun up, I need a little break, okay? My arms were on fire. I love buns, y'all, but I do know that doing buns that go backwards for me, like towards my nape, is better as opposed to these kind of buns that go upwards. Even though I prefer these because it makes my face look snatched, okay? Being tender-headed, this actually causes me a bit more tension. So I don't tend to do these upward buns unless I'm doing a puff. That's easier because it doesn't have to be so slick and down. Don't mind how I beg. This girl's too much. So I let this set for a little while, and when I got to wanting to apply the ponytail thing, came across a little problem. I was like, this might not work because when I wrap this around my hair, this is supposed to go around my hair. Yeah, this might not work well. This might not be big enough, actually. I don't know. What I'm gonna try to do is do it through the hair. All right, let's pin that in there. And then I'm going to take this right here, wrap it around the actual bun itself. And it might not Velcro in, but I'm okay with that. So I just don't need it messing up my real hair. All right, so that way it's not actually sticking to any of my real hair.
Speaking of sticking to, I would like to stick to you, my friend. Okay, you have been watching me all up on your screen for almost 5 minutes. You might as well join the team. Stop playing, okay? Hit the subscription button, then hit the notification bell right next to it so you're notified the next time I'm all up on your screen. Thanks in advance.
Okay, we'll leave it like this for now, and I'm just gonna pin it in here. All right, so this is how we have it for right now. All right, so now we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna make it the huge bun. Let's see. Maybe if I now take the rest and wrap it, or should I fold it over? Ooh, okay, hold on. Fold it over like so. What? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Talk about being innovative. Okay, we gotta play around with this so it can look like hers. Hold on.
Yes, yes, yes. You know how it is, y'all. You gotta play around with it. Look at the look at the side, the left, the right, and get it to your satisfaction, okay? I think if I was able to really secure this down even better than I did before, like if I was able to use that Velcro part, I probably would have been able to get it even bigger. But I like the size that it is.
It does look a little lopsided, but this might work. I'm tired.
More like my arms were tired. I had worked out prior to doing this, and now here I am doing this updo. Tricep, biceps were on 10. Okay, fire!
I think we have something, y'all. I think we finally have what I kind of envision in my head. It's more cylinder-like. I want it to be more roundish, but just see if I can go like that. I did want it a little bit more further down, though. Let me see if I can bring this. No. See how the devil do? See how, girl, devil, not today. Get yourself back in there. All right, let's just tuck that under. Boom, boom, boom. All right, this is as close as I can get it to how I want it to be. So it's a little messy, but I'm okay with the messiness. I'm okay with it. Nothing about life is neat and nice, so she's okay with that. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. What do you think? Did your girl do it? Did she somewhat come close to what Ray Ray had? I tried to make it my own, of course, but try to stay close to what she has. Let me not be so tough on myself. It looks cute. It's definitely wearable. I can go out and about with it, and I'm Gucci, okay? It's secure as well, so we protected in this mug, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I don't really do the whole baby hair thing. I know that probably would have completed the look, but I feel complete, okay? Got my widow's peak on deck, okay? You know what I'm saying? Representing. So yes, this was difficult though. Like all that hair, I was like, I'm saying, it wasn't going, it was a bit of a challenge, but we figured it out. I'm tired, okay? Like my arm strength is depleted, okay? I feel like it highlights my cheekbones too. You know, them little cheekbones that's there that God blessed me with, holy. Yeah. So if you're gonna get this ponytail from Amazon, be mindful of the length that you get. The weft itself with the ponytail was about, y'all saw it, it's about that long. I should have got one that's probably like this long so it can actually wrap around my bun. So be mindful of that. If you do get the ponytail, how long is the one you're getting? Look at the size of your actual natural bun, and then make sure you order accordingly, okay? I made that mistake, don't be like me, okay? But we made it work, glory to God. Ain't nothing that a couple of bobby pins can't help you solve, okay? You know what I'm saying? Don't talk about, okay, girl. Okay, let me stop. So this is what we are walking out the house with. This is what I'm about to leave with, okay? And it's mega, it's a bun. Mission accomplished. And now we've come to today's Snapchat question.
Team Kinks, I want to know from you, what is your favorite holding product? One issue I have with buns is that my hair never holds. By midday, it's already kinking up. You can see the coils forming. And I'm just like, you was flat when I had my head tie on. So let me know, y'all, what's your secret favorite gel, hairspray, mousse, whatever it be, that holds your bun down? Okay?
Trust me, your response will definitely help another kink out. Thank you in advance.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that.
And I will catch you on the next one. Until then, remember, I said, remember, coming down hammer. It's the girl Grace coming through, cause you went now. I done came through, I'm a Kamalena, Chimmy Chica Chinga, Carton Gina. I done came through Cuba, St. Lucas. That's where I'm gonna go for my birthday. By the grace of God, coming through. What's good? Pop pills coming through. Pop pills, I don't pop pills. I pop gummies, cause I like gummy vitamins. Coming through, cause you know I'm an item man. Wow, wow. Somebody signed me to somebody's record label. I'm just saying, skills. And I will catch you on the next one. So today's video was fun, a little frustrating when I couldn't get the bun to look the way I wanted it to. But isn't that what we go through when we have something in our mind and we are not able to rest until it looks like how we want it to be, until the outcome is like we want it to be, right? So that's kind of what happened here. So I like this bun. I love buns. They're easy to do. Protect your hair for sure. You know what I'm saying? As long as you, but one thing I do want to say about bun, keep in mind how tight you actually put your actual hair in a bun. You don't want to cause any traction alopecia. Okay, go for bead. Go for the piaqua. Go for bead. Okay, and you also want to be mindful how you position the bobby pins that you use. You don't want to feel, you want the bobby pins to be in your head and you don't even know it's there. So you feel anything tugging, nipping, clipping, chipping, readjust, okay? It shouldn't cause you any tension when you wear these buns, okay? Because if it is, that stress, that where it's at will cause stress in that spot, and God forbid, at least any type of shedding or breakage, okay? So be mindful of that. Look, don't sacrifice the health of your hair for a hairstyle. No ma'am. Especially the scalp. Okay, and I will catch up on the next one. You will definitely see this chocolate face all up on your screen again, okay? Until then, remember, I said remember. Ooh, I'm gonna try that again next week. Remember, in order to have healthy hair, you got to do healthy things consistently. Okay? That's the part that gets a lot of us. Even I'm guilty. Sometimes I'm not consistent. But I'm working on it. We're all works in progress, right? So just make sure your consistency never stops. You just keep on trying. You fall off, it's okay. Get back up again. Before you know it, it would truly just become a part of your lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? To where it doesn't even make sense not to stay consistent. You know, I pray we all get there. In Jesus' name, amen. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful.